Hi folks, my name is Ronald from XtremeAir USA. Right about now, you are looking for the best range hood to invest your hard-earned money into. As you may know, there are a lot of different brands of range hood on the market, and they can look very similar to the untrained eye. The most important thing is how to know which one is better than the others, and that is the main purpose of this video. I'm confident that after you are done watching this, you will choose XtremeAir for your range hood need. Now let's take a closer look at the details. I have here with me one of our XtremeAir range hoods, and over here is one from another brand that looks very much alike. The first thing to consider is the material used for the hood body. Our hoods use super thick 1mm stainless steel, which a magnet will not stick to. Whereas other brands use only 0.7mm stainless steel and a magnet will stick to it. Another important thing to consider on a hood is the motors and the blowers. Our XtremeAir range hoods use blowers that are deeper and larger in diameter than the competition. More importantly though is where the motors are located in the hood body. Our XtremeAir hoods have the motor housing located in the center of the hood body so that there is even suction across the entire cooktop. As for other brands, they use shorter and smaller blowers, and the motor housing is located all the way in the back of the hood body, which creates uneven suction and favors only the back part of your cooktop. XtremeAir range hoods have larger baffle filters than the other brands, which means a larger and more efficient suction area. XtremeAir hoods have the filters positioned far enough away from the blowers so that the air can move freely. I can fit my whole hand in there. It also makes them easier to take out. While the others have the filters located way too close to the blowers. Can't even fit my finger in there. Which could allow grease to be sucked into the blowers, as well as block the airflow. It also makes them harder to take out. The position of the light holding bar is crucial to the efficiency of the hood. XtremeAir hoods have the light bar starting flush with the hood body, has a slight angle going inward, but stops before the inside lip of the body. So there's a smooth motion of grease and steam going into the suction area. In addition, it only has 2 screws that need to be removed in order to easily remove the bar. Other brands have a sloppy design with the light holding bar starting sunken in from the body, which then has to be attached to the body. So you have these ugly screws that are out in the open and cannot be hidden. It has a harsh angle going back, and the end of the bar is well beyond the inner lip of the body. I can fit my hand in this gap that it creates, so imagine how much grease and oil will be caught in there. When you need to remove the bar for maintenance or any other reason, all of these screws up here need to be removed, and there are also a couple others underneath, and it is much more difficult. Furthermore, moving to the exhaust vents, our XtremeAir hoods have a 2.5-inch high vent, but it is removable. So in case you need an adapter, or you have a low cabinet, it's adjustable to fit your needs. Whereas the other brand has a 2-inch high, non-removable vent, which can make it more difficult for the installation process. Now let's talk about the workmanship. Our XtremeAir range hoods have a very sleek, seamless design with a smooth finish all over. While the other brands, they have weld or burn marks at every corner, and they have a lot of visible screws. You did not pay this amount of money to have these staring at you in the face. Safety certification is another important thing to consider when purchasing a range hood. XtremeAir range hoods are ETL certified for the US and Canada, and this certification is verifiable on the website. Whereas other brands, they're not usually certified, or they could say that they are, but it is not verifiable on the official website. Finally, you also want the peace of mind by protecting your investment with the best service and warranty possible. We at XtremeAir stand behind our product and will always be here to provide fast and friendly live support. We also have a lot of support videos, such as installation, replacing parts, or troubleshooting available on YouTube. Other brands usually do not provide any support at all, and that is not fair to you as the consumer. As for the warranty, XtremeAir hoods have a 2-year warranty on the parts and a full decade on the motors. That's 10 years, people! As for the other brands, they have 1 year on the part, and when that time is up, sorry buddy, but you're out of luck. Alright everyone, I hope that I've given you enough information for you to make the wisest choice for your range hood purchase. Money is getting harder to come by these days, so we want you to help you make the right choice for your investment the first time. How can this be done, you might ask? By choosing XtremeAir USA, of course. If you have any other questions or concerns, please feel free to contact us at the contact information below. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.